Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Xamarin UI Design. Today we are going to learn how to create a new project in Xamarin. I'm using Visual Studio 2019. Latest version of Visual Studio is 2022. As you know that Xamarin is not in 2022. In the at the place of Xamarin, Visual Studio is providing .NET Mark. Okay, so if you want to use, you can use 2019 or lower than 2019, 2015 to 2019. Okay, so you can go through with continue without code or create a new project. Okay, I will show you both the way. So first of all, we will see how to create new project using this. So click on the create a new project. Here you will provide a template. Okay, this is the mobile app template. If you are not getting, you can search here mobile app. So you have to use mobile app template xamarin.form. Okay, there is also Android app, native app, and all the things are available, but we have to use mobile app xamarin.form. So click on next, give name Xamarin first app, create. There are three layout. This is tab layout, means here you will can see tab. This is blank, it will be fully blank, and this is fly layout. So these two are template that are providing ready-made. So if you want to use fly layout, use this one. Fly layout means when you click on this hamburger menu, the menu will open. This is tab layout, means it will be available. If you don't want any of these things, then select the blank. Okay, if you want to also create for window, then select uh, this checkbox. I am selecting fly layout. Then we will click on create button. So it will create the project according to that. So this is the app. This is the startup page. Okay, and this in this project they are providing in this solution they are providing three projects. This is the main project where we can write a project, and this is Android project and iOS project. Okay, so this is the architecture of the Xamarin. So another thing is here is a emulator. So if you want to run for emulator, you can run it. iOS is not available. uh, yeah, you can run also iOS, but you need a Mac machine. Okay, you can, if you have Mac machine, then just map the machine by using, yeah, pair to map. Okay, click on this. Add a Mac. I don't have Mac PC, but I am showing you. You have to add your IP address of the Mac PC. Once you add the address of the Mac PC, it will validate. If it is valid, then it will show the IP address in the list view. The list view will appear. After that, it will ask username, password. Then it will be connect. Okay. If you want to run iOS app, just select this one, and you have to here you will not get emulator, you will get a device. So you should also have iPhone, and iPhone should be connected to the Mac PC, Mac machine, using the USB or a wire. Okay, cable. So this here device name will be listed. So you have to click on the device, then it will you can see here device. Okay, uh, your no, here you device will not display, but it will run the application on the device. Okay, sorry for the confusion. Another thing is that for if your emulator is not available, if I am selecting here, if emulator is not available, you can go through the open Android device manager. If option is not available here, and go through these Android, here is available Android device manager. Okay, it will open. This is the pop-up where you have to set up the emulator. Click on new. This is the setup for the emulator. So here you have to specify the RAM size. Okay, if it is 1536, if your machine is not having so much RAM, I am using 8 GB RAM. If your RAM size is smaller than 8, then you can decrease here, but it will run slowly. Okay, but it will run. If you are using this one 2 GB, but so your computer will hang, it will not open another application. Okay, just create it. Okay, if you create it, it will add here in the list. Okay, so it is creating. You have to click, I think you have to click on start button, then it will display here in the list box. Okay, another thing I want to show that HDK manager. We are getting problem that API level. Okay, now API level is 30. If you are sometimes it happens that by default it is taking API level 28. Okay, but API level is means what kind of mobile you are using. You can go through the about mobile in your mobile setting. You can see that API level. Okay, you can see Android 11 or a API level of 30. So you have to use according to that. So what you have to do, you have to click on this. Okay, this is for 49 MB. This is not available. You should not select this one. It is a emulator. Okay, if you have the device, then please do not select this. If you want to select, then make sure you have mm, mm, storage is available in your PC, then select this one. Okay, these are for emulator. So if you want to use this emulator, then make sure that space is available, RAM size is big, so you can use this one. Okay, if not, then select only SDK platform. I have only selected SDK platform. I want to use emulator, so I use this emulator. Okay, another thing now currently is API level 31, but I am not displaying here. This is not listed here. So what I have to do, just go to repository full list. It will update my SDK component information, and the 31 API will list here. If I want to test on Android 12 version, then I have to uh, select that option. So I will get a 31. Then after that, you have to click on apply change. Means if I selecting this one, I have to set apply change. When you click on apply changes, then this SDK will install in your PC. Okay. And another thing, yes, I told you that you can create a project uh, in the previously I also told that there are two options that we can create the project by clicking on button, and below the button there is written that create a project without code. So uh, this when you click on that link, this form will be open without any solution. This will be blank and this will be the blank. So go to file, create new project. See, same UI will open. Then you have to proceed the same thing. Okay. So you understand that how to create a new project. So if you have any question, then ask me in the comment section. I have selected the fly layout. It has configured the project according to that. It has given the login page. Okay. Actually, my emulator is not working here. I don't know what is the problem. Uh, I will solve this issue. But it is providing me login problem. Login page, a list page, about page, and new page. Okay. So please try these things in your machines and let me know it is working on. Thank you. And also please subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends, and also click on the like button.